need violence. It's gonna need violence.
It's alright, that.
Okay. So, let me get this slot off. Now, I've already done the other side, and it doesn't look. Well, I say it doesn't look. They're not too much of a challenge, because the bolts are pretty well protected internally, and they don't appear to have. And this bottom shock bolt here is quite Ooh. Come on, girl. Okay. I can take a hint. Duck oil and a fresh battery. Oh, if only life was that simple. Quality. Well, I think the shock absorbers are okay. Now they're obviously OEM Fiat. And replacements, pattern magnums, are ooh. £25 a pop. Bushes, which I found I can actually get. Oh well. New shock absorbers it is then. Right. My torch. Yes. Right. Now. Ooh. Oh, they are indeed 15. One. to alternate this across and figure out how we're going to do the last bit. Ooh. Start to drop now. Yeah, like that. Oh, rearrange. Ow. Ah. There you go. Woo! And the great thing about videoing all this is I get to see how ridiculous that looks on camera. Of course, now I should lift this up enough to get it off my leg. There we go. There we go. I really need a lift. Jesus Christ. Woo! More of a close-up shot, you can see what we're up against. These. Now I'm going to flip the calipers on there, get the caliper off, pads out, get this disc off. So I can get access to that bolt, or the back of the bolt, to get some penetrating on it, because they guarantee they seize. The calipers are going to come off that brake line here, and you can see what's happened with that and how that's, because that's seized on there. I'm going to make a new one of those lines, both sides. I'm not even going to attempt to free them off. It would just be hours wasted, and yeah. I don't know why I'm trying to be careful with these things. They're absolutely wrecked. Bearing's okay. going to be a lot more. Come on, where are you? Hang on. Where were we? What was the tool of choice? Well, there we go. Very little violence involved in this now. Oh. Yes! Oh! So much easier than doing it on the car. It is. Ah, that's where it is. It's got to be welded. I've even got welding to do on it. Have you? Yep. Right. Mind out. What we got? In the daylight, or what's left of it. I'm going to attack this with a wire brush. Yeah, you know I said wire brush. What I really meant, mind you, given the cost of electricity, it's probably cheaper to buy a new axle. Oh!
Yeah, you wouldn't send for me. You didn't see what's good. No, this is what I was going through. What you do? What you do? You sent me down 'cause you couldn't send me up. You made it so hard, just like we sit in a cup. You hit me so hard, you just made me wanna cry. You hit me so hard, you just made me wanna die. You didn't see me skin. No, you didn't see what I was going through. What you do?
this is what we've ended up with. That's pretty much as far back as I'm going to go with it. I'm actually, I mean, this took a lot. I mean, I got to do this outside. I have had one of the plates fall off, so I'm going to re-rivet that after I've given that a bit of a further sorting out. I've also got a piece to weld on the other side, which I will. But what I want to do first, before I take it back in, is I want to get a coating of cold galv on it first. I'm not going to epoxy it. It's gone back as far as it's going to go. I'm going to give it another quick brush over with the wire wheel and give it a coat of ZG90, because I did this with my Panda axle, and 18 months later that thing is still absolutely 100% fine. There's no structural issues with this, even though it was crusty as a crusty thing on a crusty day. It's still solid. So we're gonna have a bit of ZG90 on that. One thing I did forget to do, which I'm going to do now, is the spring cups, and part of the reason why they tend to rust is that the water pools on the other side of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 holes in either side of those to help the water drain out, because I completely forgot to do that before I sprayed the other side. Keyless trucks, hey? So, what have we achieved today? We have a very de-rusted, quite solid axle with a coat of cold galv spray on it. I'm more than happy because that stuff is straight to metal. It's good stuff. It's been on the Panda's axle for over a year, and it's great stuff. I've got a few repairs to do that I didn't realise. The bracket that holds the which side is it? There's a bracket that holds the handbrake cable in. That's got to be welded back on. So I stopped where I was with the painting, because I'll just have to. It's going to need another coat anyway. I just wanted to get one on it tonight to make sure that we were all good there, and it was like the rest of it was nice and thick. It's good stuff, that paint. I really do like it.
It's alright, that.